This is a concrete patio I've been planning for the past 2 years. But to afford it, I had to move hundreds of pavers and rocks by hand. Here is exactly how I prepped my backyard for the pros and how much money it actually saved me. Before we get into phase 1 of this full backyard transformation, how much do you think I saved by doing this demolition myself instead of paying the concrete crew to do it? Drop your guess in the comments and I'll let you know later on in the video. This backyard transformation started as nothing but an ugly, sloped dirt area with old pavers. I did all the DIY prep work and demolition myself so the professional concrete crew could come in, pour the new concrete patio, and give us the before and after makeover. This is me removing all the old pavers. I'm struggling here to move this flower pot. It was heavier than I thought it would be, and I didn't think to strap it down. Be honest. Would you do this prep work yourself or would you hire all of it out? Here, I'm removing the plastic edge that held the pavers in place. There was also a lot of rocks that was between the pavers, so here I'm removing those rocks. It was cold, but the work still had to get done. I was excited to get the concrete poured, but then this happened. Finally, the project was back on track and the pros came out, marked out the space, and started building the foundation. I opted to build a drainage system in the patio, so this is them leveling and installing the drainage system. There'll be a screen enclosure built around most of the patio, so I wanted to make sure there was a way for the water to properly drain. By the time we're done with this full backyard makeover, this won't even look like the same space. So if you want to see the full transformation step by step, make sure you subscribe and come back. The pros began pouring and leveling the new concrete patio. Would you ever pour a concrete patio yourself? Or is this where you'd definitely call in the crew? This is where everything starts to come together. The concrete is carefully spread across the entire area and the team begins to spread and level it out to create a smooth and even surface. At this stage, everything happens quickly. The crew only has a short window to spread, level, and smooth the surface while the material is still workable. It was exciting to see the new patio come together after years of planning and saving. Just a few days ago, this space was nothing but dirt and gravel. Now, the crew is creating what will become the heart of the backyard. I saved about $2,400 by doing all the prep work myself. Just to give you a reminder of what the ugly sloped dirt backyard looked like. And this is what it looks like now. The color will even out in a few weeks once the curing process is complete. I'm thinking about staining and sealing the concrete once it cures. I've never stained or sealed a concrete patio before, so if you have any advice or tips for me, leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. This patio is just phase one of the full backyard transformation. We've got a lot more to go, like converting this screened-in porch into a sunroom and covered deck. We will also be adding some deck skirting and doing some gardening. I'll need your help and advice on furnishing and decorating ideas, so be sure to come back.